To create a cat class, type the class, and then our class name, and a pair of curly brackets. Now, we can add a string field to give name for our cats, and also, method to make our cats do something, like eat. That displays our cat is hungry if our food is empty, and else, our cat is eating something. And this class is simply a blueprint for creating objects. And these objects are instances of a class that can hold fields or attributes, and methods, or the things that our objects can do. With that said, we can now create a new object called cat1 and give it a name called Garfield. And of course, make our Garfield eat a lasagna. And when we run this, it displays Garfield eats lasagna. We can also duplicate this code to make another cat object, change the cat1 into cat2, and change this name into Tom, while deleting this lasagna. Now, we could see that only Tom is hungry. As you can see, each of these objects can have their own fields, and ways to interact with their own methods. And here's quick tip to make our classes organized. Head to Solutions Explorer, right-click the console, select Add, and then pick the class. In pop-up window, let's rename it into cat.cs, and click Add. Delete all these texts, and cut-paste the cat class here. And that's it, it works just like before. And that's how we make a class, and turn it into our very first object-oriented programming. If you want to read those, or check this tutorial's codes, link in the description. This is the end of the How to C# for Beginners. Congratulations for making it this far, and thank you so much for watching and following the whole series. If you miss anything, here's the whole playlist of it. And if you find this video interesting or informative, please consider liking or subscribing for more coding tutorials. Happy coding everyone!